Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The laboratory fee for parentage testing typically ranges between $400 and $600, and most insurance plans do not cover it. Unless your patient has a medical indication for amniocentesis or CVS, those expenses also will not be covered by insurance. 15 April 2004.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you are both sure he is the biological father of the child and you do not want a DNA test, you can complete a paternity acknowledgement at the hospital. The paternity acknowledgement is completely voluntary and is the easiest way to establish paternity, plus it's free while at the hospital.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pros: this paternity test can be done as early as 7 weeks into the pregnancy and is non-invasive, which means there is virtually no risk to the mother or baby. It does not require the involvement of a medical doctor, since blood and buccal samples can be collected outside a doctor's office. 27 January 2017.
Take our lead.
The non-invasive prenatal DNA paternity test provides 99.9% accuracy, more than any other type of prenatal paternity test. This advanced DNA screening, available any time after the 8th week of gestation, analyzes traces of the child's DNA found in a blood sample from the mother. 21 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are 3 different ways to test paternity before a baby is born. The tests are as accurate as those performed after a child's birth. The 3 methods include, non-invasive prenatal paternity test (NIP). This test analyzes fetal DNA found in a pregnant woman's blood during the first trimester. 21 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Determining paternity without a DNA test, eye color test. An eye color paternity test shows how eye color and inherited trait theory can be used to help estimate paternity. Blood type test. A blood type paternity test can also help eliminate a potential father or determine if paternity is probable. DNA test, the only sure way, the 27th of December 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This non-invasive test is the most accurate way to establish paternity during pregnancy. It involves taking a blood sample from the alleged father and the mother to conduct a fetal cell analysis. A genetic profile compares the fetal cells present in the mother's bloodstream to the alleged father's. 8 September 2016.
Take our lead.
A legal DNA paternity test typically costs between $300 to $500, which usually include the collection costs associated with the test. Non-legal paternity tests start at about $30 for the retail kit, not including the testing, to around $200, depending on additional services such as expedited testing and shipping.
Let's help you make your mark.
Amniocentesis or CVS paternity testing can be performed by obtaining fetal DNA through either amniocentesis or chorionic villus sampling (CVS). Both will require participation of your OB/GYN. While this method produces accurate results, these medical procedures do present a risk of miscarriage.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to be sure your genetic results are not affected by your pregnancy, a cheek swab is the way to go. Most swab-based DNA kits allow customers to take a DNA test while pregnant at home. A cheek swab is as easy to take as scraping the inside of your cheek with a Q-tip.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If a mother refuses to determine paternity, a court can order a paternity test in order to gain visitation or custody rights, or to prove you are not the father in a situation where your name appears on the birth certificate.
Take our lead.
The Obgyn can also choose to order a paternity test while the fetus is still in utero. This test requires chorionic villus sampling or amniocentesis. These tests come with a very large price tag, as the cost of the medical procedure will need to be covered along with the cost of the paternity test. 2 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.